We will now prepare a chromatography column packed with alumina adsorbent. We first need to take a pasture pipette and place a loose plug of cotton in the wide open end of our pipette. We'll then use a copper wire to gently push that plug of cotton all the way down to the end of our pipette. You want to be sure not to pack the cotton too tightly, as it could restrict the flow of our solvent through the column. Once the plug of cotton is in the end of our pipette, we're going to take a metal file and score our pipette about 1 centimeter below the cotton plug. We'll then place our thumbs on either side of our scored mark and push quickly. We then need to transfer our alumina adsorbent to our column. And this is the alumina that we will be using. And we're going to transfer 1.25 grams of alumina adsorbent to our column using a microfunnel. And this microfunnel is just a disposable plastic pipette that's had the tip cut off and the bulb cut in half. And we'll place the tip of our microfunnel in the open end of our column. We'll then transfer our 1.25 grams of alumina to our column using the microfunnel. Once we've transferred our alumina to our column, we need to gently tap our column to make sure that our alumina is tightly packed inside the column. This is our chromatography column. And we need to clamp our column so that the tip of the column is just above the test tube that will be collecting our fraction. We have now completed the preparation of our chromatography column.